have here today. All right, everyone. What we have here today is Milwaukee's new cordless air compressor, the M18 fuel. This is the quietest air compressor, the quietest cordless air compressor that you can possibly get. This thing is wonderful. In my opinion, this is one of the best things you can get out on the market right now. I'm doing an unboxing pretty much. I'm going to show you guys, do a product review over it right now, and see what we have here. This actually is tool only, as you can see. 28 40 20. This is the 2-gallon compact quiet compressor, and it doesn't come with a battery. It doesn't come with a charger, but it does come with this, which you screw on right here. This is your air filter, as you can see, screwing on right there. And I have a M18 8-watt battery going to it. And as you can see, that makes a whole lot quieter. It cleans your air, so whenever you're working in dusty areas, dusty paint going everywhere, sawdust, anything in that nature. But this thing is going to come in handy. Let's see if we can get it. With the big batteries, it's actually, which is the 12, it's going to do up to 1,600 nails per charge. This is the 8 battery, so I believe that's like 1,000 nails per charge. And if I'm not mistaken, the 5 is 800 maybe. You can look up the specs. I'm going to leave the details, leave the details in the comments below. But the decimals of it is, I believe it was 65. So it's pretty much like your average conversation is nowhere near as loud as any air compressor. This is the quietest air compressor you can find, especially with the filter on. As you can, man, this thing is quiet. But let me see. Yeah, no, I was actually wrong. The 5 gives off 600 nails. So the 12 is 1,600. The 8, which is what I have on here now, is 1,000 nails, and the 5 is 600. And it's very light. This thing weighs in at, let me make sure I'm telling you guys right. It's going to weigh at 31.2 pounds. Very lightweight. And like you say, easy to carry. And think about it, if you guys happen to have maybe a flat on side of the road or anything of that nature, this thing's gonna come in handy. You have your fully charged battery, and if all the tire needs is a little air to get to where you're going, you hook it up, which is your standard hookup right here, and you hook it up, you air it up and everything, and this thing goes up to 130 pounds per pressure. Pounds per square inch. See if we can fill it up. The battery life on this battery is real low. But let's see if we can fill it up real quick. It might not fill up, and the battery is so low. Or it might help if I close off the vent. Haha, there it is. That's why I wasn't getting no pressure. It's just, this is the let off, the release valve right here. This was open, of course. So even with the battery being real low, as you can see, still. See, I have this in my house right now, and it's not bothering, it's not loud, it's not bothering anyone. Trust me, if it was bothering someone, my wife would have said something. Oh, see, it stopped at 80. Pretty sure that battery has had about all it can have. But it stops at about 130, if I'm not mistaken, when it's on a full charge. So that would definitely get any air that you need in a tire. 130 pounds, yeah, that can definitely get you. Like I say, you can store it pretty much anywhere because it's very small. It's very light. See? And to release the air, it's got a valve right here, or you can release the whole pressure, which is right here. This might be the loud part. Let's see if I can ease it. But if you're in a dusty area or anything, you would always want to get your air filter, take it off. Hold on 1 second. Let me see if I can open it up for you. Yes, all you got to do is twist and open it up. Make sure that's clean. Of course, it's clean, brand new. And then you just twist it back on. Like I say, the part number is 284020. And it's the tool only. You gotta buy the battery and the charger. So I got plenty laying around, so that helped out a whole lot. But in my opinion, this is a great tool that Milwaukee made. So if you wanted more details about it, I'll leave the link in the description to take you to Milwaukee's website. And thank you for coming by and watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you think different. Alrighty, thank you.